Hello people and welcome back to Caught on Dashcam channel, a channel that features only the latest and craziest road moments caught on driver's dashcam. This episode is going to be a mix of crazy road scenes, so make sure to stick till the end. Without any further ado, let's get this episode started. In the first video, we already have an impatient driver who used the right turn lane to cut in front of another vehicle.
I took his sister to see him about a month ago, or 3 weeks ago maybe, and you know,
Richard, if I have asked you, do you have any 10 people in Bowling Springs?
oh my God, I was just in an accident. Let me call you back.
Camera was forced onto the curb by a reckless driver who was impatient. Never act like the driver in this video. It came to a road rage situation between the camera and another crazy driver who ran a stop sign and nearly hit him. Camera was being tailgated and a bit further down the road this happened. The interesting part about this video is the driver's behavior. This guy was barely driving and it didn't look like he wanted to pull over or move on. He was so confused and that really triggered the camera.
Pull over, do something. Come on. There's absolutely no reason for that. Oh my gosh. We gotta wait until there's nobody in sight.
3 o'clock game.
75 on Friday or something.
Good, so I'll
like
do
that,
it
so.
then.
Yeah. Careful!
I saw it.
Frig.
I saw
Because
it.
he's, you know.
Because he's driving on the wrong side of the
No,
road.
but well, he had to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some people are just too entitled. Now, why are you walking on the wrong side of the road? You see all kinds. Oh boy.
We gotta turn it like a semi. Jeez.
And this guy doesn't even stop. And this guy doesn't even stop. It's like nobody stops.
No.
Wow. Bumper car.
Traffic was moving smooth and calm just like how it's supposed to, but that soon changed when one driver lost his patience. It only takes one impatient driver in the entire traffic and his moves can cause a lot of problems for everyone. Camera came across a crash aftermath. 2 vehicles crashed at the intersection and the police was on the scene to check for the injured. Hopefully, everyone involved is doing fine. With this clip we conclude another epic episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. I hope that you guys enjoy watching and taking notes as well. There were a lot of mistakes in this episode and hopefully you managed to learn something. After all these videos are used for educational purposes. If you support my work, don't hesitate to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. While you're there, make sure to click the bell button to stay up to date with the latest content. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care.